to create a different tomorrow with open arms and a big smile and saying to you, أهلا وسهلا بكم في الرياض. Welcome to Riyadh.
As part of our commitment to realizing a different tomorrow, we're making these kinds of unforgettable experiences possible in sports and beyond.
Why a different tomorrow? I hope you'll agree that Riyadh is leading the way in demonstrating the answer, and that Sports Boulevard is very much part of that story and a very powerful part of the vision.
Politics is making a plural world, that means made up of individualities, into a common world. And I think this is really the stake we have to face when we want a better tomorrow.